Welcome to AnuStudies. I will be discussing the most important GK questions and answers from recent exams. Question 1. The planet Mars is also known as the answer is red planet. Mars is called the red planet due to iron oxide on its surface, giving it a reddish hue. Morning star and evening star refer to Venus. Question 2. What is the common name of the solution of calcium hydroxide? Answer: lime water. Calcium hydroxide solution is called lime water. Is also known as slaked lime. Question 3. Jantar Mantar in Delhi is historically important for. Answer: astronomical observatory. Jantar Mantar, Delhi, built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II in the 18th century, served as an astronomical observatory for tracking celestial movements and compiling data. It was also a site for public meetings and protests. Question 4. Bharat Stage Emission Standards refers to. Answer: vehicular pollution. Bharat Stage Emission Standards, BSES, regulate vehicular pollution in India, focusing on pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and carbon monoxide. The standards, modeled after European norms, include progressively stricter stages, BS1 to the BS6. Question 5. Which of the following microorganisms does not contribute to soil development? Answer: virus. The microorganism that doesn't contribute to soil development is virus. Unlike bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, viruses primarily infect microorganisms and indirectly impact soil by releasing nutrients. Question 6. Chief Election Commissioner of India can be removed from the office. Answer: both A and B. The Chief Election Commissioner, CEC, of India can only be removed by the President, following a resolution passed by both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha with a majority vote on grounds of proven misconduct or incapacity. The CEC has never been removed in India. Question 7. Syed Modi International Grand Prix Gold Championship is held every year at. Answer: Lucknow. The Syed Modi International, an annual badminton tournament in Lucknow's Babu Banarsi Das Indoor Stadium, was upgraded to a Grand Prix Gold event in 2011 and a World Tour Super 300 event in 2018. Question 8. Name the first woman to head a paramilitary force. Answer: Archana Ramsundaram. Archana Ramsundaram, a senior IPS officer, was the first woman to head a paramilitary force in India as the Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal, SSB. Question 9. Saffron is produced on a large scale in. Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Saffron is largely produced in Jammu and Kashmir, mainly in Pampore, making it a key global saffron region. Question 10. The political system in Afghanistan is known as. Answer: Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Afghanistan's political system is the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, established by the Taliban after taking control in 2021. Previously, it was the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan until the Taliban first used the Emirate title in 1997. Question 11. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Indian national flag on. Answer: 22nd July 1947. The Indian national flag was adopted on 22 July 1947 by the Constituent Assembly. Designed by Pingali Venkaiah, it features a saffron, white, and green tricolor with a navy blue Ashoka Chakra in the center. Question 12. When milk becomes sour is produced. Answer: lactic acid. When milk turns sour, lactose is converted into lactic acid by bacteria, making the milk acidic. Question 13. Yellow fever is mainly transmitted among humans by. Answer: female mosquito bite. Yellow fever is transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquito through its bite. It is endemic to tropical South America and sub-Saharan Africa and can cause symptoms ranging from fever to organ failure. Question 14. Who was the first chairman of ISRO? Answer: Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the first ISRO chairman, is known as the father of India's space program. A physicist and visionary, he founded PRL Ahmedabad and led the Atomic Energy Commission. He received the Padma Bhushan 1966 and Padma Vibhushan 1972. Question 15. An electric motor converts. Answer: electrical energy into mechanical energy. An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is used in various applications like fans and pumps. Question 16. When the car takes a bend, the force that pushes us to the outside of the curve is the. Answer: centrifugal force. When a car takes a bend, the outward force felt by passengers is centrifugal force, while the actual force keeping the car on track is centripetal force, provided by tire friction. Question 17. The Prime Minister is the ex officio President of. Answer: CSIR. The Prime Minister of India is the ex officio President of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. Question 18. Which organ is not a gland? Answer: gallbladder. The gallbladder is not a gland as it stores bile but doesn't produce secretions. In contrast, the adrenal gland, liver, and pituitary gland all produce important substances or hormones. Question 19. Every set in the dotted decimal format of an IP address is called. Answer: octet. In the dotted decimal format of an IP address, each octet represents a group of 8 bits, written as a decimal number between 0 and 255. For example, in 192.168.1.10, each number is an octet. Question 20. Parliament House in Delhi was constructed during. Answer: 1921 to 1927. The Parliament House in New Delhi was built between 1921 and 1927, designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker. Its architecture blends Hindu, Saracenic, and Roman styles, and its shape is inspired by the Chaucet Yogini temple in Morena. Question 21. Anemic condition is due to. Answer: deficiency of RBC. Anemia is caused by a deficiency of red blood cells, RBCs, leading to reduced oxygen transport in the body. Question 22. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in. Answer: Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in Nagaland, showcasing the cultural heritage of the Naga tribes, usually in the first week of December. Question 23. X-rays, which are now used on a day-to-day basis for diagnosis in medicine, were discovered by. Answer: Wilhelm Röntgen. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered X-rays in 1895 while experimenting with cathode ray tubes. He named them X-radiation and demonstrated their medical potential by taking a radiograph of his wife's hand. Question 24. In a computer, what is the name of the high-speed memory used? Answer: cache. Cache memory is a high-speed memory used to speed up and synchronize with the CPU. It is more expensive than main or disk memory but cheaper than CPU registers. Question 25. Which of the following is a tsunami warning sign? Answer: water falling back quickly from the beach. A sudden water recede from the beach is a tsunami warning sign, as it exposes the ocean floor. Other signs include loud roars, unusual ocean activity, and strong earthquakes. Question 26. The most abundant of the rare gases is? Answer: argon. Argon is the most abundant noble gas in the Earth's atmosphere, constituting about 0.93%. Question 27. The Indian National Army reclaimed the Andaman and Nicobar Island from British rule and named them? Answer: Shaheed and Swaraj Island. Subhas Chandra Bose, leader of the INA, renamed the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as Shaheed, Martyr, and Swaraj, self-rule, after liberating them from British rule with Japanese support during World War II. On 30th December 1943, he raised the INA flag in Port Blair. Question 28. A protruding part of the throat that is responsible for growing the voice box in boys is called? Answer: Adam's apple. The Adam's apple is a cartilage bump in the throat that protects the voice box, becoming more prominent in males during puberty. It is a secondary male sex characteristic and may be named after the biblical Adam. Question 29. The basic concept of Montessori education is? Answer: self-discovery through experiment. The core concept of Montessori education is self-discovery through experiment, where children learn independently through hands-on activities in a prepared environment, guided by teachers. Question 30. Which of the following is a probe to the Kuiper Belt bodies? Answer: New Horizons. New Horizons is a NASA probe that explored the Kuiper Belt, first visiting Pluto in 2015 and later Arrokoth in 2019. Launched in 2006, it was the first spacecraft to reach an object in the Kuiper Belt. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.